Did you whiten up your skin and at the end of the day you notice green vein on your skin? Then I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to clear up those green vein in just 1 week. So please don't go anywhere. Watch this tutorial to the end. Welcome back to my channel. This is Highlight and Beautify Me. Please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and please turn on the notification bell below so as to be updated each time I upload a new video. So please stay tuned. Let's go into this oil making. This oil actually removes green vein in just 1 week. This oil removes varicose vein. Yes, it removes any varicose vein. It removes your green veins caused by bleaching cream or whitening cream. It removes it. And again, it's work on skin. It works on veins that are dilated. I mean veins that are having issue already, because most times due to some harsh chemicals of the cream that you've applied to your skin, it can dilate your green vein, your vein. Yes, the valves. It can dilate the valves of your vein, and before you know, they can start popping up and all that. So the first ingredient we'll be using for this green vein oil is crude charcoal. Crude charcoal is very important. Yes, very important when it comes to making this. In fact, this is the main ingredient in this green vein oil. If you're promixing lotion or you're making your cream from scratch, you need this. Please don't do without this. Don't do without this crude charcoal. You need this crude charcoal. It's very important in your cream. It corrects every green vein issue. In fact, if you use this to promix your cream, you can never have green vein on your skin. It's not possible. You will never experience green vein on your skin. So in case you promix cream to sell and or you're promixing for yourself, please don't do without crude charcoal. We'll be making use of vitamin E. Yes, we'll be making use of vitamin E. Vitamin E. Yes, I'm actually using the vitamin E capsule. We'll be making use of the Shenic Perfect Leg. I'm using the stage 2 of Shenic Perfect Leg. Very good for green vein. Yes, it's very good for green vein, dilated vessels, stretch mark, blue vein, tattooing, varicose vein, redness, beauty spots, and all that. So this Shenic is very good. For this green vein oil we're making, we cannot do without this also. So we're making use of our magic charcoal. Yes, I'll be adding this magic charcoal. It's also good for green vein. It repairs the skin. Yes, this actually repairs the skin. That is what this oil does. It's a repairing oil. It's called Bel Eclat's charcoal. Very okay. We cannot do without this also. And lastly, we'll be making use of our lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil. Yes, this is one of the essential oils that are very good for taking off green vein and varicose veins. Okay, this is our measurement cup. So I'll be adding a teaspoon of our crude charcoal. A teaspoon of our crude charcoal. It used to be very thick. Yeah, I'm actually making a little quantity of this oil. I'm actually making a little quantity of it. So we'll be adding our Shenic perfect leg. Our Shenic perfect leg stage 2. I prefer to use stage 2 because stage 2 for Shenic is actually the treatment oil. After stage 1, you go to stage 2. It has procedure actually. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon. The stage 2 has a greenish color, so I'll be adding it to my mixture. So this is my Kenacol, Belle Eclat Kenacol. Yeah, this is my Kenacol. I'll be adding a tablespoon to my, sorry, it has a cap. I'll be adding a tablespoon. So here is my vitamin E capsule. So I'll be needing two of these capsules. Yeah, I'll be putting 2. You pop it out. Yeah. So here is my oil, my lemongrass oil. Yes, here's my lemongrass oil. I love this oil so much. It's a Vit Gold product. Yeah, I'll be adding 3. I'll be adding 3. Then you stir. And here is my green vein oil. I'm done stirring it. So here is my green vein oil. This green vein oil will clear off your green veins, your varicose vein, will repair your veins. Yes, if you're having vein issue, it will repair it. It will do all this in 1 week. I'm assuring you this. I use this a lot and I've been seeing serious changes, like it's working seriously. Yes, for you that sells, you can make this, bottle it and sell. It's very, very effective. So you can try this out and give me feedback on how it goes. So here is my green vein oil. I've bottled it actually. I'm using this one for myself. This is the one I use for myself because I'm toning up my skin and at the same time I'm treating green veins. If you find my video interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel, share my video, like my video, and please turn on the notification bell below so as to be updated each time I upload a new video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.